Hi, Christina. Just wanted to give you a mid-sprint update on what's going on with the front end of the questionnaire uh, web application. Again, one of three user interface portals we'll have for the food frequency questionnaire system. And just again, this is brief. During the rest of this week, my goal is to now get into the actual question components, but I set up some routing here that I wanted to show. I kept the front page simple, no banner, no about or contact information based on your feedback from our sprint planning. And I made this so that it can fit properly in the view of an iPad, since you described this as a frequent device that this will be used for in the future. So this is basically a participant is given an iPad, or they're given a questionnaire ID to take the survey when they get home. And here I'm going to put in an invalid one. Let's say wrong ID. I can come back down. So wrong ID. And right now nothing happens, but I am tracking these changes in the background. So they're just basically just stubbed out with little comments for me to know that this was triggered, so I can handle it appropriately. When this is triggered, I'm gonna pop up an error message to the user, letting them know to check their ID again. But let's put a valid one. So this is not actually touching the database. This is me. I have this kind of mocked in the background until our let gets it set up. But I'll click begin questionnaire, and it'll take me to another website, like another page of our website called questionnaire with the valid code. And I'm also tracking that it's a valid questionnaire ID supplied, and I'm actually on the questionnaire page and I validated the questionnaire ID. Again, this is all just basically infrastructure that I set up, but this is basically the flow that we're going to have. And then down the middle here, we'll present the questions to the user, tracking that it was to this ID that we're going to send back the information to. But also something else that I wanted to show. If I just put nothing, so imagine localhost 4200 is your website that this is going to be at. I press enter and it'll automatically take me to the questionnaire ID. That's like an automatic routing. And I don't need to go to this directly. So if the issuer supplies the participant with just the questionnaire, right, a link, let's say I put the wrong one. Again, this is not going to stay like this, but it's me tracking that this is not a valid ID. But if they put the right one, it is valid. So it's basically just a lot of piping work that I've done to get me started. But I'll spend a lot of work trying to learn how to do this proper routing in the right way. Um, so now that I'm done with this, I'm going to get started on the question blocks. First, I'll handle the error messages, then I'll get to the question blocks. Looks like I'll be fine to finish by the end of the sprint, so I'll be able to display this to you, present this to you on Monday. Okay. If there's any comments or questions, concerns, even when it comes to styling, anything you want to add, colors, anything, just let me know. So you can reach out to me through the HIP chat. Thank you.